Hello everybody and welcome. My name is Eric and today I'm currently on Big Toho Marina, which is over there. You guys can see, yeah. It's basically my backyard and I live like 10 minutes from here, not very far. And I finally get the chance to try out the Hydrofoil on my new Tohatsu 9.8 horsepower. Finally. Now, as I will show you guys on the screen right now, here is the footage that I did last time when I was over here. Although I managed to get the speeds that I was looking for, I was reaching 19 miles per hour. The boat unfortunately was porpoising. And for those of you who don't know what porpoising is, it's basically the up and down of the front of the boat going like that, and that's usually caused because most of the weight is on the back. And this is a very lightweight boat. This boat weighs maybe 100 pounds, maybe? And it's a long one, it's 13-footer. So if I go, I say island camping, most of my camping gear will be on the front, so porpoising will not be a problem. However, for most of my trips that I'm usually by myself with very little gear, having a Hydrofoil is very useful. And everybody has told me that it's been great, and we're about to find out. Let me go ahead and get in my boat and hit the water. Okay, everybody, so I'm in the water, and I ran from here to there, and I noticed there wasn't a whole lot of splashing on the back of the motor. Let me show you guys. Let me go ahead and put it in gear. Put my lanyard on just in case, because I'm gonna be holding the camera in a rear angle. Okay, I'm gonna point you guys there. Check it out. I'm going to accelerate. Not a whole lot of splashing. And I'm planing. There we go. Woo! Yeah. And look, the front no longer porpoising. Woo! Yeah. A special thanks to you guys, to all of you who suggested this. Many of you voiced your concerns on my last video. And look, no more porpoising, it's done, it's over. The Hydrofoil fixed the problem. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Let me see if I can shoot the drone in the air and let it follow me. You guys can see. All right, let me go. Well, okay, the sun is right there and the sun's gonna get in the way. So let me go ahead and turn it around and let it follow me without the sun hitting the camera sensor. Otherwise, the drone stops following me. All right, let me go ahead and get the drone ready.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small.
I am beyond happy and satisfied that the Hydrofoil worked as is advertised. So this is the SE200 Hydrofoil. It's usually made for outboards up to 40 horsepower, and man, for this 9.8, it did fantastic. So guys, thanks again for all of you who have been so patient with me, waiting for this video. I've had many situations here in life, between work and projects and all that good stuff, but I finally got it. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next adventure. Later.